You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words once and for all correctly. They are pronounced exactly the same way, they have the same pronunciations. They're homophones, same pronunciation I should say, because there's only one. How to pronounce in English? Creak. The top word is a creek, which is a sheltered area along a shoreline, on the beach, on the sea, on the ocean. A creak. The bottom word is the noise that wood makes, or a wooden floor, for example, when you step on it. Creak. To creak. This is a verb. Creak. Same pronunciation in English, a long E sound. Creak. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.